think I like this one. Tell me that was good.
And if she asked me like, how much would you pay for it? I'm like, I could do 100. How it looks, you guys. It looks so good.
Look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel that? Look in my eyes.
Welcome back to another vlog. Hi if you're new. Today's Sunday and I am in a good mood. I'm in my matcha latte. I realized 2 days ago that I ran out of matcha, so thank God for Amazon, and I ordered my matchas from Amazon. Ippudo tea. I'm gonna link it for you guys. It's one of my favorite matcha, good quality matcha. Like I mentioned, today is Sunday. Currently getting ready for church. Our church switched up the services now. They actually added one more service, so now we have an opportunity to go to any service, honestly, that we want. We don't have a set service anymore. We used to go to the early service. Now we're like, it's just like we rotate here and there. Sometimes we go to the 11 o'clock service because we don't wake up too early, and then sometimes we make it to the, you know, the first service. So right now they have a 8:30 a.m. service, a 10 a.m. service, I think like 11:30 and 1. Like, it's a lot of services now, so there's no excuse to why you can't make it to church. They made it possible for people, so that's really good. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, just got done getting ready. Y'all, why is the garage not closing? I don't think the garage is closing, you guys, and it's making us run late to church. Oh my goodness. This has happened before, once. So I had to like move some stuff around, and there's like nothing by the garage for it to cause it not to close. So that's kind of weird. It's 9:49 and church starts at 10, and church is about like 50. It's not closing?
Yeah, because this thing, I'm gonna push that thing again.
That is extra weird. So it looks like the garage, the wheel thing came off. So guys, it's already warm out. Oh, okay. Guys, let's go to church. Yeah, let's go. So we are at home. Oh, I almost fell. And I'm trying to tell Junior, we already have this. It's in Maggie's basement.
Is it the same size?
Same, bigger.
When we go there, we can rent the car coming back.
And just to have it. Anyway, so we have this, and it's huge. It's bigger than this. And we were supposed to put it in our truck when we were moving to Houston, but totally forgot all about it. So that's the one thing I like about At Home. They just have everything. I even forgot how good their stuff are. Let me go here and see.
I like this.
I'm looking for bar stools. Let's see if they have really good bar stools. Oh yeah, that's nice. Let's look for, oh, they do have really good dining chairs. Look at these. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. Before I got the chairs that we have now, I was gonna get one of these. But now when I see it in person, I'm like, you know what? I'm glad I didn't, because it's not really that comfy at all. So yeah, I know we need just 2 more dining chairs to complete the dining room. And to be honest, I don't think At Home would have the best pick, but I might be wrong because it is a hit and miss. Let's see. You guys, isn't this is my dining chair, but it's a different color. Oh, okay, these are cute. You know what, this actually might go well with our living room. White and black. Is this white and black? It does not look white and black. It looks like gray and black. Right, guys? Am I tripping? Oh yeah, they also have this one. This looks really nice. I actually like this one more. Let me find my husband so I can know whether it's worth it or not. Now, normally when it comes to like furniture stuff and like decoring the house, it's always my duty. Y'all, let me get Junior on camera. This man says, let's go look for stuff for the house. Let's go look for stuff for the house. What is he doing? What is he doing?
like this.
Yeah, stop. We're supposed to be looking for stuff for the house, and look at you sitting down.
Yeah, you was over there looking at stuff.
Yeah,
That's why I said, like,
yeah.
You know I'm here.
Okay,
for one thing.
come on. Let me show you what I seen. Junior said he's actually loving this one.
I think I like this one. Seems like to be a little bit higher, but I like that. How high it is.
Yeah, but here's the thing. I was just telling him how I'm trying to avoid us getting everything white. Like our living room would just look so white, which I don't have a problem with it, but I don't want it to be too white. So we need y'all help because we do like both chairs for the bar stool area. So help us out. Now we are in the hunt for a coffee table. They have their furniture literally everywhere, so you gotta just keep an eye on what you're looking for. Oh, I think this is the area for coffee table. Doesn't that look like a coffee table? Oh, that could. Oh, I don't like the look of this. This is just, I don't like that at all. Wait, let me look at this one. Is this marble? Babe, I can't see this high. What's on top? Is this marble? Oh, I can't see that high. Do you guys see? That looks like marble.
Yeah, it's marble.
Oh, can I just see how it looks? You don't like it? All right. If you don't like it, then we keep on going. We keep on pushing. I think we found one that we like, but it's some clearance. Oh, this is literally perfect. It's perfect. But it's, yeah, it's beat up. They have to lower the price because, girl, it's like 200. How much is it, my love? 200 what?
279.
It's 279 plus 50%, so it's around 130-ish. It needs to go lower than that. I'm not gonna lie. Junior can fix this, but I really love this one. This one is like my favorite one, and I'm about to ask them, do they have other ones in the back? Like, you know, like, is this the only one that they have? Because I'm obsessed, and I see why they're having a clearance, because this is like lifting. Junior said he can fix this, so this is not like something that's a big deal at all, but it's so nice. So Junior got somebody, yeah. So Junior just got somebody, one of the workers, to come and see whether we can go a little higher on the discount, more than 50. Because babes, I like this table. Huh? In fact, if they were selling it regular price, I would have bought it. But this is like the last one here, and this is exactly what I was looking for. So if we can go a little higher on the discount, and if she asks me like, how much would you pay for it? I'm like, I could do 100. Guys, we're getting it. The manager just gave us an extra 10%, which is literally perfect. Yeah, she even said there's no box for this table, so we're taking it home, guys. We're taking it home. It's safe to say that your girl needs a new car. Yeah, it's time for an upgrade. She was cute while she lasted, but there's just no room to put this in here at all. Yeah, we should have brought your car. Oh my gosh. It has been many hours later, y'all. We got home and just started decluttering, putting things away, and my camera was charging, so obviously I did not vlog that part, but I want to show you guys how this table looks right now.
It's not wide.
Yeah, it's not wide, it's just long. Yeah, so it's just longer, so I'm like, why does it feel like this is taking up so much space? So I have to choose between the bowl or
I
the
think
beautiful
that
vase.
bowl and the books.
The bowl and the books, you want the bowl and the books?
Yeah, the base.
Okay. And look at the coffee table. I'm obsessed. Yeah, I really love it. It looks really good. Hey guys, it is the next day. We are actually about to head on out. I do want to get some fresh flowers in this house today. It's been so long since I've actually gotten some fresh flowers, so you guys are gonna go with me to do that. I might stop at like, Whole Foods is so far for fresh flowers, but that's where I really enjoy getting flowers. It's either Whole Foods or Trader Joe's, and both stores are literally so far from me, and they're close to each other. So it's like, do I want to do that today or tomorrow? I don't know. we're starving, so we're gonna stop over and get us some kava. Kava has been, baby, listen, I wasn't even a big fan of Chipotle like that, but kava is so good, way better than Chipotle. I see what the hype is all about with kava. It's so good. So we're gonna stop at Kava. Trader Joe's is literally right across from Kava. And yeah, and we're gonna grab those flowers from Trader Joe's. I decided on Trader Joe's. I thought I was gonna head to Whole Foods for the flowers, but Trader Joe's usually has really good flowers. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so sorry. Apologies on the dirty mirror. I hardly ever come to this bathroom downstairs. Hardly ever. So when I do come to it, I'm like, dang, I haven't cleaned this one up, huh? So apologies on the dirty mirror, but it is the next day, y'all. I got a little glammed or whatever because I have a lifestyle video that I want to film for my lifestyle Instagram page, and I also want to take pictures today.
You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired.
Here is the flower arrangement. It turned out really pretty. I have to bring back my flowers every week in this house because that was really fun. It took like about an hour to do, but I think it's stunning. It is stunning. By the way, in case you're curious, I got this vase from Walmart. They sell pretty good vases for the most part. If you're looking for just basic clear vases, get you it from Walmart. But they also have some really good ones from Amazon that I want to get my hands on. But yeah, this one turned out really nice. I love it.
So be lazy, man. Like, come on, that frame and go to home.
I guess
Because I knew like the size, the house, the couch, because I saw there. The one that was at 9 by 12, that's like it's gonna be right there and behind it. It's gonna be squeezed right there. So this one's what did they say?
this one is
6 by 9.
This rug looks so perfect. I'm slightly obsessed. Like, it's so nice and clean. But the one thing I forgot to order is like the mat that goes underneath the rug. So then the rug is like not slipping and sliding, which we won't have a problem with that, but it's nice to have the mat that goes underneath. We did get this rug for only $100, by the way. Only $100. I have never bought a rug for $100 ever in my life. And we got, what size is this, my love?
I think 6 by 9.
6 by 9. We got this rug at a local Houston rug store, and they sell their rugs 80 to 90% off. I seen a video on TikTok and I was like, wait a minute, we have to stop there before heading back home. And I'm so glad we did. Now the place looks a little sketchy, but once you get there, they have a lot of rugs. I wish I could have showed you guys. I just didn't know what to expect. Nonetheless, if you guys are located in Houston, I'm gonna leave the address in the description box. Check that place out if you're looking for rugs. They have all sizes, okay? All different sizes, but this looks stunning. So Junior is over here very comfy, but this is how it looks, you guys. It looks so good. I love. Okay, so the only thing is this is gonna irritate me and Junior. We just talked about this. Yeah, okay, so he's about to take this out, but I am about to actually order the thing that covers the cord because this is going to irritate the mess out of him.